The following equipment should be prepared before installation. Use a 1.5 mm hexagon screwdriver to remove the 9M2 screws on the top of the aircraft. Gently separate the top plate from the protective cover. Then remove the internal wires one by one. After the wires are removed, remove the top plate of the aircraft. We need to replace the new top plate. Before replacement, the previous electronic equipment needs to be removed. Use a 1.5 mm hexagonal screwdriver to remove the M2 motor fixing screws on the top plate. Use a 4.0 socket screwdriver to remove the flight controller fixing nuts. Then remove the electronic equipment. Finally, use a 1.5 mm hexagonal screwdriver to remove the battery fixing buckle on top plate and flight controller fixing screws. Now we come to the bottom of the prop guards. Use a 1.5 mm hexagon screwdriver to remove the antenna fixing screws on both sides. Then remove the 4 fixing screws of the air unit. Then take out the air unit. Use a cross screwdriver to open the air unit cover and remove the original antenna. We take out the new top plate. Insert the original M2 flight control fixing screws into the carbon plate and tighten the nuts below. Then insert the battery fixing screw and fix the battery buckle. Install the electronic equipment into the fixing screws. And tighten the 4 fixing nuts. Then fix the motor to the carbon plate and tighten the 12 M2 motor screws. Use the 4 M2 x 5 mm air unit fixing screws included in the upgrade kit to penetrate the fixing holes of the prop guards for our subsequent installation. Use a 1.5 mm hexagonal screwdriver to remove the 4 screws fixing the top cover of the 04 Air Unit Pro. Gently open the top cover. Remove the original air unit antenna. Replaced with Defender 25 antenna. Tighten the air unit cover screws. Insert the 8-unit power cable. Before fixing the air unit, we also need to trim the SD card slot position of the prop guards. The card slot is located at the angle of the USB port. Here we need to pay attention. When cutting the prop guards, you need to reserve the position of the SD card slot and the link button of the air unit. There is another solution. Just use the new prop guards in the upgrade kit package. Seamless replacement is possible by simply moving the electronic equipment. Install the air unit into the groove of the prop guards in the corresponding direction, and tighten the 4 air unit fixing screws. Now we go to the bottom and lock the antennas on both sides. When installing the camera, the logo should be facing downwards. To avoid reverse installation, install the CNC adapter in the upgrade kit to the camera. Install with the CNC notch facing forward. Use M2 x 4 mm countersunk screws to fix and lock. Install the silicone pads. Install with the protruding side facing outward. Install the canopy. Align the silicone pad with the canopy limit slot. Use the 2 M2 x 5 mm screws in the upgrade kit to fix and lock it. Finally, we insert the aircraft cable into the corresponding position. Arrange the wiring. Tighten the top plate screws to complete the Defender 25 upgrade to 04 Air Unit Pro.